Unlock a universe of affiliate sales and amplify your Shopify store's reach by integrating with Clickbank, the powerhouse for digital product promotion. Step 1. Navigate to your Clickbank account and locate the affiliate or find products section. This is where you'll discover a vast array of digital products you can promote and earn commissions on. Browse through categories, use keywords to find profitable niches, and find products that align with your Shopify store's offerings or your target audience's interests. Once you've identified a product you want to promote, click on the Promote button. This will bring you to a promotion form. Here, you'll enter your Clickbank nickname for the tracking ID. It's highly recommended to create a specific identifier that relates to your Shopify store and the product you're promoting. This will help you track your sales and traffic effectively. After submitting the form, Clickbank will generate a unique affiliate link for that product. This link is your key to earning commissions. Now, head over to your Shopify admin and go to the Products section. Select the specific product in your store that you want to link to your Clickbank promotion. Within your Products Edit page, you'll want to add a clear call to action. Locate the product description area or the button where a customer might typically make a purchase. Create a compelling button or link text, something like Discover More or Get Instant Access. When you link this text or button, paste your unique Clickbank affiliate link you generated earlier. This directs customers who are interested in that specific product from your Shopify store to the Clickbank sales page. Alternatively, if you're promoting your own Shopify products through Clickbank, you'll go to Clickbank, create an account as a vendor, and list your products there. Then, you can find affiliates who will promote your Shopify products using their unique Clickbank links, driving traffic back to your store and generating sales through that expanded network. It's a win-win for everyone involved.